What is going on, guys? So today I got another quick Elden Ring video, and it is what is the Flask of the Wondrous Physick and what does it do and how to use it. So first of all, how to get it is at this third church of America. So you're gonna have to follow this road. Keep in mind that this is actually a pretty early game area, so you should be able to get here pretty early if you want to. You'll probably start around here at the first step, so if you navigate upwards and then follow this road down and then follow this whole area, you'll get to this church. And once you get to this church, you'll see there's a Flask of Physick dropped here, like an item. You'll pick it up and then you'll say you're able to mix tears and create the Flask of Physick at the... I don't know exactly what it says. I picked it up a while ago, so forgive me if I'm wrong. Just let me know in the comments. But anyways, what you do is you rest at a site of grace after you've picked it up, and then you can actually see the option here, Mix Wondrous Physick. So I have two effects here that I can add, and so will you. So you get dropped these tiers along your route, mainly from bosses. Some treasure chests also have unique crystal tiers, but you know, mini bosses, areas where you think something good is dropped, chances are something like this will be there. So I've collected quite a few. I'm in New Game Plus here, but anyways, not important. So as you can see, this first one I have temporarily boosts fire attacks in mixed physick. I'm running a pyro build. I have a flame sword as well. I'm not using it right now, but I have a ton of pyro spells, so I'll just drink this Physick Flask and then do a ton of fire damage. And the other effect that I have complements that because it eliminates all my FP consumption. So basically I do a bunch of attacks for free for a short amount of time. So I do more damage and they're all for free. So when I'm ready to nuke the boss, I drink my Physick Flask and I do a ton of damage. But there's other things that you can do, like other combinations. So you can restore half your total HP when you drink this, or you can oh yeah, there's two of them that do that. So if you combine them together, it's basically like having another flask. I don't recommend doing that though. It's not that good. This one that's regenning is a lot better than instant restore in my opinion, because it regens more than just half over time. And same for... There's one that's really good that I recommend. Basically is this one, Opaline Bubble Tier. Significantly negates damage in a mixed physick. Basically when you drink this, you take one hit for free. So if you're struggling with the boss, you can drink this, take one hit for free, and then have the other effect as steadily restore your HP. So you take one hit for free, then you have regen for a lot of the boss fight. That's a good defensive mix like this, basically. So that's the two combination I recommend. You know, if you're running a holy build, that's also good. Lightning, fire's the one I was running, sorceries. There's all that. This one, boosting your equip load, I don't know how good that is. And then this one's also good when you're near death. It'll restore your HP at a lot faster rate. But yeah, without yapping too much, let's get into using this now that I've mixed it. So you see I've equipped it in my bottom hotbar here. How to do that is you go to equipment, you go down to where your flasks are. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove that. So I press A, and then the quick items, you know, it'll be at the top. I think it suggests it for you. So you just pick this, and then you have one more consumable now. You got your regular flasks, and then you got this. So I'll drink this. You can see now I have an aura around me. That's the free hit that I mentioned earlier. That's one of the effects. And now I also have the regen effect around my character too. So yeah, really recommend this for PvP, for boss fights. Once you pick this up, you have to use it. So let me just go into a few locations on where to find these. There's the Weeping Peninsula, which I believe is down here. If you kill this boss, I believe there's two that you can get. The Crimson Crystal tier and the Strength Knot tier, which one restores health, one temporarily boosts strength. Storm Hill, Minor Erd Tree, which is around here. There are some to be found. It probably is at the Storm Hill Shack, because I think there's a boss here as well, but not to spoil too much. Yeah, just let me know, guys. Drop any comments where you find these good ones, because I've been through the game. I don't remember them all exactly. Like, I could do some research and let you guys know, but I mean, kind of defeats the fun of the game too. So you got to go out there and explore and get them yourself. So let me know where you find them. Drop them in the comments. Drop any questions you got in the comments. And yeah, hopefully this was a good explanation on the Physick Flask. Drop a like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.